Equations. Blank. Cap E, open Y close, equals, beta sub 0, plus, beta sub 1, x plus, beta sub 2, x squared, plus, beta sub 3, x cubed, plus, positive, clickable on mouse over. Beta sub P, x to the P clickable on mouse over. Beta sub 2 equals, mu sub cap A sub 2 n sub, minus, mu sub cap A sub 1 n sub clickable on mouse over. Cap E, open Y close, equals, beta sub 0, plus, beta sub 1, x sub 1, plus, beta sub 2, x sub 2, plus, beta sub 3, x sub 3, plus, beta sub clickable on mouse. 4, x sub 1, x sub 3, plus, beta sub 5, x sub 2, x sub 3 clickable on mouse over. Cap E, open Y close, equals 1 plus, x sub 1, minus 2, x sub 2, plus, x sub 1, x sub 2 clickable on mouse over. X equals, fraction negative b plus or minus, the square root of quantity b squared, minus 4ac end root, over 2an fraction clickable on mouse over. Cauchy's integral formula, f of a, equals, fraction 1, over 2 pi I n fraction, contour integral, over, gamma, of, fraction f of, z, over z minus a clickable on mouse over. N fraction, double angle formula for cosines, cosine of, theta plus phi, equals cosine of, theta, cosine of, phi, minus sine of, theta, sine of, phi, clickable on mouse over. Gauss's divergence theorem, integral, over, cap d, of, open the gradient oftums cap f close, d cap v, equals, integral, over, the partial derivative of cap d, of, cap clickable on mouse over. The gradient of vector, times, cap f vector, equals, open, fraction the partial derivative of, cap f sub z, over the partial derivative of yn clickable on mouse over. Fraction, minus, fraction the partial derivative of, cap f sub y, over the partial derivative of zn fraction, close, I plus, o the partial derivative of, cap f sub x, over the partial derivative of zn fraction, minus, fraction the partial derivative of, cap f sub z, over clickable on mouse over. The partial derivative of xn fraction, close, j plus, open, fraction the partial derivative of, cap f sub y, over the partial derivative of x clickable on mouse over. N fraction, minus, fraction the partial derivative of, cap f sub x, over the partial derivative of yn fraction, close, k clickable on mouse over. Standard deviation, sigma equals, the square root of quantity 1 over cap n, sum, from, I equals 1, to, cap n, of, open, x sub I, minus mu close squared end root clickable on mouse over. Clickable on mouse over. Definition of Christoffel symbols. Open, the gradient of sub cap x, cap y close to the k, equals, cap x to the I. Open, the gradient of sub I, cap y close to the k, equals, cap clickable on mouse over. X to the I. Open, fraction the partial derivative of, cap y to the k, over the partial derivative of, x to the I n fraction, plus, cap gamma clickable on mouse over, with subscript im, and with superscript k, n sub dash superscript, cap y to the m, close clickable on mouse over.